my channel. Today I received this package, so I want to open with all of you. So let's go. Okay. This is from proteincartoys.com. So this is the store that I bought so items. So, oh, lo siento para delay. Okay. Yeah, but this okay. It's okay. So he apologized with me because the package, I think the package is in the store, but he don't find it, and not it's okay for me. BMW M6, so they no bring lights, but okay. This is what year? Sometimes the base said the year, but this one is not. So this is a beautiful car, man. This is a magnet here and one magnet here. Okay, all is good. Oh, the spoiler half in the under is beautiful too. Power and power. Okay, so let's go to the another one. Okay, go to the next one. Oh, okay. This is a beautiful 4GT racer motorcraft. It's a beautiful 4GT. It's a motorcraft, Castrol, EcoBoss. It's a Evolution 2. So it's a beautiful car. So the price, I think I pay 35 for this car, and for the BMW I pay $30. So this is a good deal for these two cars. It's a new car in the case, So let me know in the comments what do you think to the price, for the price. So I think this store you need to find it. This store is not sponsored to me, but have a good price. Sometimes in good deals in the cars. They bring they sell the Carrera brand, flies, monogram, and XCS, Ninko, so Spirit, and another brands. But these two, I think it's a good deal for these two, the price. So now I don't see. Ah, it's here. Okay. So this is another thing that I bought. So it's a pinions, two pinions for one car that I have, and the fly bring the pinion is broken. So I brought these two package, and they bring two pinions. I think it's a nine teeth. It's a maybe here. It's a standard 9C standard. Yeah. Okay, and then the last one. This one is the car that I wanted to, the most that I want to see. Okay, this is a Ninco car, Porsche. This are clean. The car no have any stickers or promotions. But if you see, the driver have the helmet. So maybe if I buy stickers or something, I can put this car a racing car. So that's I like a lot this car. This an Inco. This car bring this NC2 motors. I think it's 18 RPM. They say. I pay $29.99, and I saw this car, the same car, in the electric drinks in $99.99. It's $100 for the same car. But Tinker have this car in $29 now, $30. So check out this store if you like this type of car or brand. This is an excellent deal for this car. They have the guy have a spring, and they say that they bring the motor NC2, and they have a magnetic. The motor have a magnetic effect, and the scale is 132 scale. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments about for these three cars. And I want to show you now another two cars that I bought in the other store. So let me show you. So this is another car that I bought in another store. So it's a digital 124 scale. The car have bring here in the sticker spider, and then have all of these. Maybe I don't know if you see, but they came. The stickers have maybe like a spider spider web all over the car. And then it's a digital. Every car that is 124 scale, the new ones, maybe the 2012, I don't know, maybe because before this car, this car, the cars is set exclusive. Carrera exclusive, so it's they have another system. But now maybe the 2012, I don't know. If you know, let me in the comments. They bring the cars in digital, all 124 in digital, and then came from this system guy, and then it's a digital. So it's a beautiful car. You see in the back, I don't know, it's the focus. Now it's focus. They bring here the motors, details, and inside, I don't know if you see, they have another maybe details. It's a beautiful car, man. It's a driver. Let me So this car is awesome car, but this car the price is too high because this car is difficult to find. Maybe in this area, maybe in USA. I'm in Puerto Rico, so the price is the same in the some store. So it's 149. So it's expensive car, but I want it. I want this car, so I bought this car. I don't care. It's a beautiful car. So the other car that I brought in the same store is a left lobby. Maybe you know this store. They have awesome stuff. Okay, this is another car I wanted a lot. So this is a BMW Z4 GT3. This car, the colors is awesome car. So this car, I saw maybe a 4 or 5 cars that is the same but with another stickers and another colors. But this car is, I wanted a lot this car. So this car is expensive car too. I paid $100 for this car. So it's crazy the price for these two cars. But this car is difficult to find it. And then these are new cars, so I paid the price. And this is a digital car. You see the base is blue. So this awesome car. I have another one that I have. Let me show you. This is another BMW Z4 M Coupe. If you see, this is a beautiful car too. This is a C4, yeah. This is a C4, but this is a Coupe, and this is a GT3. So let me. Okay, if you see the two cars, the ring here. They have the details in the back. It's a beautiful car too. The spoiler is a different thing. The cars is like maybe the same but not. It's yeah, this is a different cars. Maybe it's like the same but no. They have different things. But these are two beautiful cars that I have details, and then I like this one in white with the stripes here in the front. If you see here, maybe focus much better. Focus. Nothing here. Okay. Now bring the logo of the BMW logo. It's a beautiful car, man. This is a evolution car. They bring this system, the magnet system, so you can take it out. Here is the ball, so you don't need take it out the body. So if you want to take it out the magnet, only open here and that's it. This is a beautiful car. So leave me in the comment what do you think for the prices and the models. If you like, let me know in the comments. If you like the videos, let me know. Give me a like or subscribe to the channel. So thank you. Bye.